Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. 5G, the ultimate combination of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. This revolutionary tablet takes the concept of a stylus to a whole new level with its integration of AI technology that redefines the way we interact with our devices. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G features the best stylus in the market, offering a natural writing experience that feels just like using a traditional pen and paper. But what sets it apart from the rest is the integration of AI technology, which takes the capabilities of the stylus to a whole new level. With AI, the stylus becomes more than just a writing tool. It becomes a smart assistant that can understand and interpret your handwriting, making it easier than ever to organize your thoughts and ideas. The AI-powered stylus can recognize and convert your handwritten notes into digital text, making it easy to share and edit your work. It can also intelligently categorize your notes, making it effortless to find exactly what you need when you need it. This level of intuitive organization streamlines your workflow and enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. But that's not all. The AI technology in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G goes beyond just note-taking. It can also analyze your handwriting to provide personalized feedback on your writing style, helping you improve your penmanship and communication skills. This level of personalized coaching is unparalleled in the market and demonstrates how the merging of the best stylus with AI can truly transform the way we interact with our devices. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G offers a seamless and responsive user experience powered by 5G connectivity. This means you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, ensuring that you can stay connected and productive no matter where you are. Whether you're streaming content, video conferencing, or downloading large files, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G delivers a smooth and reliable experience that exceeds expectations. The stunning display of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G provides vivid and immersive visuals that bring your content to life. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, the vibrant colors and crisp details make every experience a joy to behold. The tablet is also equipped with powerful speakers that deliver rich, immersive sound, adding another layer of depth to your entertainment. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G is also designed to adapt to your unique needs, offering a range of innovative features that enhance your user experience. With a powerful processor and ample storage, you have the freedom to multitask and store all your important files without compromise. The tablet also supports DeX mode, allowing you to transform it into a productivity powerhouse by connecting it to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. In addition, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G prioritizes your security and privacy, offering advanced biometric authentication, options such as facial recognition, and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. This ensures that your data remains secure and confidential, giving you peace of mind as you work, play, and stay connected. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G represents the pinnacle of innovation, combining the best stylus with AI technology to deliver a superior user experience. Its seamless integration of powerful features and intuitive capabilities redefines what a tablet can do, setting a new standard for productivity and creativity. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative individual, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G offers the tools and capabilities to unlock your full potential. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra 5G is more than just a tablet, it's a game changer. Its fusion of the best stylus and AI technology opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to work smarter, create more, and stay connected wherever you go. Experience the future of productivity and creativity with the Samsung Galaxy Tab s10 Ultra 5G.